MBA in Manufacturing Management offered through the Work Integrated Learning Programs Division of BITS Pilani in collaboration with WILP and RDC Concrete India Ltd. Today marks a significant milestone as the first batch of the MBA in Manufacturing Management program graduates successfully.
I am proud to say that we are the first institution to have initiated this process of work integrated learning in the country. And when we deliver these programs, we see that these provide us mutual benefit, because there is a lot that our faculty learn while teaching in the classrooms. Because teaching experienced working professionals is very different from teaching a bunch of fresh young students in the classroom.
Keep on working and also doing this course is definitely challenging. But the choice you made that day is the result. Now you can see this is a graduation ceremony, right? And it's all because of your hard work and the sacrifices you people have made. Thank you, all of you, for completing this course.
Being a working professional and also doing a program is managing both. I'm sure you had an enriching learning experience, but a very demanding one, which you had passed through in these 2 years of running this program. And today is the day to celebrate that. And I wish you all a good luck, and I'm sure what you learned here will also come a long way in your life.
Our first batch has graduated today. This collaboration has helped us in many ways. Firstly, we have a philosophy of learning, unlearning and relearning. In the evolving world of technology, especially artificial intelligence, only those companies will survive who adapt and adopt and continuously learn, unlearn and relearn. This is probably one of those steps in that direction.
Still there are guys who are keeping add-on degrees, lot of degrees to their names, but of no use without earning anything. But now here I proudly stand and I can say proudly that I am working, I am earning and I am learning, and all three at the same time very confidently.